Curling leaves. When plants lack sufficient calcium, their new growth begins to curl. Some gardeners refer to this as the plants developing parachute leaves. When you notice new leaves turning in on themselves, it's worth considering whether a lack of calcium could be the reason. Nutrient deficiency can be the cause of chili plant leaves curling and bubbling, specifically calcium deficiency. Calcium is essential for plants to build strong cell walls and grow properly. If there's not enough calcium in the leaves, the cells can lose their normal structure, leaving you with wrinkly or curled leaves. Eggshells are an excellent source of calcium and can therefore be used as a calcium supplement for plants to help with a variety of normal plant functions. Just like humans need calcium for strong bones and teeth, plants need calcium to build strong cell walls and maintain healthy plant structure. If calcium is deficient, then the cell walls in the leaves and fruits of the plants will become weak and necrotic, which will eventually lead to blossom end rot, and ruin your harvest. This disease is especially common in squash and tomatoes. Eggshells can be a key commodity in the prevention and treatment of this devastating plant disease. The first thing you need to do is bake your eggshells to kill any potential bacteria including Salmonella. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake your eggshells on a baking sheet for 10 minutes. In addition to killing bacteria, this will also make the shells more brittle and easier to break it into powder. Crush the eggshells or grind them into a fine powder. You can crush them into flakes using your hands or a food processor. You can also grind them into a powder using a mortar and pestle or a coffee grinder instead. It is possible to use whole eggshells in your soil, but they will decompose much faster if they are crushed or ground into powder. Now that your eggshells are baked and crushed, they are ready to be utilized in your garden. Add crushed eggshells around the base of your plant. You do not need to cover the eggshells with soil. As they decompose, they will leach calcium and other nutrients into the soil. This will help your plants grow into strong, healthy plants. Dig a small trench around the base of your plants and sprinkle in some of your crushed eggshells. Repeat this process about once a month during the growing season. This should help prevent calcium deficiencies in your plants. Crack open some raw eggs, rinse them with warm water, and let them dry in a sunny spot. When rinsing the shell, run your finger around the inside of the shell to get rid of any residue. Try to leave the membrane. Most of the nutrients are in this. Fill the pot with water and bring it to a boil for a few minutes. Boiling the water will give the eggshells a jump start and help them to start releasing their nutrients into the water faster. Loosely crush the eggshells. You can use your hands, a coffee grinder, or even a food processor. Crushing the eggshells will make it easier to measure them out. Remove the pot from heat, and let the eggshells steep, covered, for at least 24 hours. You can even let the eggshells steep for a few days. During this time, the eggshells will release their nutrients into the water. Water your plants with the diluted eggshell tea. For best results, use the eggshell tea once a month. The water will be infused with calcium and other nutrients, and give your plants a growing boost. Store any leftover water in a cool, dry place.